Hi, it's Clarissa from Fit Face 10. If you want to have a more symmetrical smile, there's one perfect exercise for you. What you're gonna need? Your hands and your smile. You're gonna put your hands here on your cheeks, okay, just to hold them to avoid the formation of new wrinkles. And then these fingers here, they will guide you, okay, with your smile. We're gonna smile to the left, to the right, and then a smile for both sides. You have to see yourself doing this movement, so you need to use a mirror, okay? So let's go. Okay, then you use your fingers to guide you. Then you smile to the right, and then you come back. Then you go to the left, and then you come back, and then both sides. Remember to use a mirror, then you have to do a perfect smile, symmetrical one. Don't do this, okay? Don't smile more from one side than the other. Don't put your shoulders up. Relax your shoulders, okay? And don't clench either. Concentrate on the exercise. You see, you have to pay attention to yourself. Don't do these compensatory movements. Just focus on the exercise. Okay, send me your pictures, your before and after pictures. Let's see your progress. And if you have any questions, any comments about this exercise, just leave here a comment for me. And if you know more about other kinds of face exercises, just download my ebook. The link is here on the description for you. Okay, strengthen your beauty. Bye bye.